Senate Bill 1666. Imagine this. A crime victim is owed restitution, but after the payment reaches the court clerk, nobody can find the victim because the contact information is outdated. The money just sits there for years. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 1666 is supposed to help restitution payments reach victims more smoothly. It also sets a clearer process for what happens when that money goes unclaimed. What it actually does? This bill requires the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to send the victim's last known address to the court clerk when restitution is transferred. It also shortens the time local clerks can hold unclaimed restitution from 5 years to 3. After that, the money gets sent to the comptroller through the state's unclaimed property system. This means clerks get better information up front, but victims who are harder to locate may have less time to claim the money directly before it moves into a bigger state system. Who benefits? Victims who can be reached quickly, court clerks who need better information to send payments, state agencies that want a cleaner process for unclaimed funds. Who pays the price? Victims who move often or are hard to locate, people who may not realize their restitution was transferred into the state's unclaimed property system. Anyone who now has to take extra steps to recover money after the 3-year deadline passes. Why it matters. On paper, this looks like a cleanup bill, and in many ways, it is, but timing matters. If the state shortens the window before money is transferred out of local hands, victims who are already harder to reach could face another bureaucratic barrier. For everyday Texans, that means a bill meant to help victims could still leave some people chasing their own money through a separate state process. Bottom line, Senate Bill 1666 tries to make restitution more efficient, but it also shortens the time victims have before their money is pushed into the state's unclaimed property system.